This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Robinhood trading account. First, ensure you meet the basic requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old and a U.S. resident. You'll also need your social security number and a valid U.S. address. Make sure you have a smartphone ready to download the Robinhood app, as it's essential for managing your investments. These steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Once you meet the initial requirements, the application process is straightforward. Begin by downloading the Robinhood app or heading to their website to sign up. You'll then be prompted to enter your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, and employment status. You will also answer a few short questions about your trading experience and financial background. This helps Robinhood understand your investment profile. After submitting your application, the next step is funding your account. You can securely link your bank account, often using your bank's online login. While there's a $0 minimum to open an account, you'll need to deposit funds to start trading. Robinhood may also require identity verification, which could involve uploading a government-issued ID and taking a selfie to confirm your identity. This process usually takes about 1 day. Once your account is approved, which often happens within 1 business day, you're ready to start trading. You can immediately begin exploring various investment options available on the platform. Remember to check the description below for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. This book offers valuable insights into managing your finances and can truly change how you think about money, helping you make informed investment decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.